What's up, guys? It's Alex, aka Shake&Break, and I'm still half asleep, but nonetheless, we're gonna crack into this 13-14 Series 1 hobby double rookie class. Got this on sale on Boxing Day at 401 Games. I think I paid for, I think it was on sale for like 75 bucks. And it's a pretty killer rookie class, so I said, hey, why not? Alright, break the seal really quick. There we go. Ain't nothing better than waking up to the mailman knocking at your door with some hobby. Alright, so I'm going to keep the packs in there. Get this adjusted here, or not. Alright, guys. Let's do it. So, everyone knows the standard breakdown. I don't have to say anything really. And the rookie class is pretty insane, so. Oh, here's our first young gun. Which I already have, actually. Ryan Murphy. Pretty cool. Oh, Young Gun Canvas, pretty cool. Victor Faust. Cool, cool, cool. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. I really like the base set of this year, but these hockey heroes, Wayne Gretzky. Thank God those are not the new stuff. Damn, these packs shred. Next, we got a canvas of Phil Thrill. I actually really like the canvases of this year. Alright. Oh, here's our jersey card. I'll just skip right to it. Oh, it's a leaf. Boream Selmy. That's pretty cool. I wonder what grouping that is. Keep it going here. Hopefully they get a Morgan Riley or something sick. Jean Gabriel Pajot. So two really weak young guns so far. Oh, the McKinnon. I feel the McKinnon brewing. Oh, they're sticking. Oh, they have these in here? No way. Silver script of Steven Stamkos. I had no idea. This is the first time I ever opened up this year. As far as Series 1. Damn, these packs shred easy. Alright, guys. Another one. One of this is a short print. Paul Coffey. Oh wow, look at the Shining Stars. Yo, this is all throwback for me. Shining Stars of Chris Stewart from when he played for the Blues. It'd be cool to get some hobby exclusive because these are hobby. Here's another young gun. Dang. Just for Fast. 3 more to go. I actually have all of the ones that I have only opened up 1 tin of this, and those are the exact 3 Young Guns that I got, minus the canvas. So that's kind of trolly, but let's go. Hockey Heroes, Grant Fuhr, 1980s. Ooh, cool. MVP rookie, silver script, Tarasenko. That's pretty cool. Oh, that'd be cool to get Tarasenko Young Gun. Okay. I'm trying to think of Morgan Riley. I would really like. Who else is in here? The double, right? So there's so many good ones. It's like a base pack. Damn, this pack is straight just stuck. Tom Wilson. That's hilarious. Tom Wilson, Young Gun. So that's 4 Young Guns. Or 5 with the canvas. So I'm not sure if the canvas is bonus or what. We got a Young Gun, or UD canvas of Thomas Plekanec. Coming up to the end of the box here, boys. About 7 minutes, not bad. Oh, another canvas of Antti Niemi. Really cool shot there. Oh, another jersey. That's pretty cool. Of Paul Coffey. I didn't know you got 2 jerseys per box. Paul Coffey. Does it say that? Look for canvas diamonds, hitting 1 in 48 packs. I don't know. Ooh, Young Gun checklist of Galchenyuk, Seth Jones, and McKinnon. So that's pretty cool. I don't have the checklist. It's like slightly like getting McKinnon, I guess. Ooh. Carl Soderberg, Young Gun. Alright. Dang, I'm knocking everything over and stuff. Alright. Shining Stars, Pavel Datsyuk. Alright guys, last 4 packs right here. MVP silver scripts of Adam Henrique. MVP silver scripts, Jeff Skinner. 2 packs left, guys. Ooh, this is pretty cool. What is this? UD exclusives. 52 of 100. Ryan Carter. I'm not sure where he is right now. And then last pack Oh, dude, that's sick. A Vladimir Tarasenko. What are these called? Superscripts? I'm not sure what these are called. I think it's superscripts out of 25. That's sweet. Check that out. 19 of 25. Sick, guys. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more. Peace, guys.